Ever found yourself scrolling through endless payment options at a cafe, wondering if that newfangled app is actually safe to use? We've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into one of those apps, Moka. Specifically, we're asking the question, is Moka safe to use? Now, before we jump into the technical nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're grabbing your morning coffee. You pull out your phone, ready to pay, and the barista suggests Moka. It promises quick transactions, loyalty points, and a seamless experience. Sounds great, right? But a little voice in the back of your head whispers, is this secure? Are my financial details safe? That little voice is valid. In today's digital age, where data breaches and online fraud are unfortunately common, it's crucial to be vigilant about the apps we use, especially those handling our money. Moka, for those unfamiliar, is a digital payment and loyalty platform popular in Southeast Asia. It aims to simplify transactions for both consumers and merchants. You can use it at various businesses, from coffee shops and restaurants to retail stores. It offers features like mobile payments, loyalty programs, and even integrated marketing tools for businesses. It's designed to be convenient, but convenience shouldn't come at the cost of security. So, let's address the core question, is Moka safe? The short answer is, like most reputable financial platforms, Moka employs several security measures to protect its users. However, it's important to understand what those measures are and how they work to make an informed decision. One of the primary security measures Moka uses is data encryption. This means that when you transmit sensitive information, such as your credit card details or transaction history, it's scrambled into an unreadable code. This makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to intercept and steal your data. Think of it like sending a secret message in code. Only the intended recipient with the correct key can decipher it. Moka also complies with Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS. This is a set of security standards designed to protect cardholder data. Compliance with PCI DSS is a significant indicator of a platform's commitment to security. It involves rigorous assessments and audits to ensure that the platform meets specific security requirements. Meeting these standards shows that Moka is taking the necessary steps to protect your financial information. Another layer of security comes in the form of transaction monitoring. Moka's systems constantly monitor transactions for suspicious activity. If they detect anything unusual, such as a large transaction from an unfamiliar location, they may flag it for review or even temporarily freeze the account to prevent potential fraud. This proactive approach helps to catch and prevent fraudulent activity before it can cause significant harm. Furthermore, Moka often utilizes two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide two forms of identification before accessing your account or completing a transaction. This could be something like a password and a one-time code sent to your phone via SMS. Even if someone manages to obtain your password, they wouldn't be able to access your account without that second form of authentication. Now, it's important to understand that no system is completely foolproof. Even with these robust security measures in place, there's always a potential risk. However, by implementing these security measures and adhering to industry best practices, Moka significantly reduces the risk of security breaches and protects its users' data. But the platform's security is only one part of the equation. User behavior also plays a crucial role in maintaining security. Here are some important steps you can take to protect yourself when using Moka or any other digital payment platform. First, always use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 123456 or password. Instead, opt for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And never use the same password for multiple accounts. Second, be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing attempts often come in the form of emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate companies, including payment platforms. These messages may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. Always be suspicious of unsolicited messages and never click on links from unknown sources. If you receive a suspicious message purportedly from Moka, contact their customer support directly to verify its authenticity. Third, keep your app and device software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities. By keeping your software up to date, you are ensuring that you have the latest security protections in place. Fourth, regularly review your transaction history. This allows you to quickly identify any unauthorized transactions and report them to Moka. Regularly monitoring your account activity is a proactive way to safeguard your finances. Fifth, be mindful of public Wi-Fi. Avoid making sensitive transactions, like paying with Moka, when connected to public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often unsecured, making it easier for hackers to intercept your data. So, coming back to our initial question, is Moka safe to use? Based on our research, Moka employs a range of security measures, including data encryption, PCI DSS compliance, transaction monitoring, and two-factor authentication, which significantly enhance its security. However, it's crucial to remember that user behavior also plays a significant role in overall security. By following the tips we've discussed, you can further protect yourself when using Moka or any other digital payment platform. Ultimately, choosing to use any digital payment platform involves a degree of trust. It's about weighing the convenience and benefits against the potential risks. By understanding the security measures in place and taking proactive steps to protect yourself, you can make an informed decision about whether Moka is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.